back here on the Laser. Some of you may have seen this car at Radwood in SoCal, the one they had in Torrance at the Honda facility there. Car ran great. It hasn't leaked a drop of oil. That nonsense has been resolved. That was fun. New axles behaving. But of course, I get a text Saturday morning when Scott is on the way to Radwood with a picture of the onboard computer, basically saying that it's not charging or not charging well. So they got it there, made it through the show, had an amazing time, loved the pictures. Got it home. I've had a few friends text me and say, "Hey, that Laser doesn't sound so good." And I'm like, "Yeah, boys, thanks for helping me out." Anyway, it's like, tell me something I don't know. So I get in here this morning, and well, that's encouraging. That belt's looser than my X, so first order of business, I'm going to tighten it up and then fire it up and see if we just had a loose belt situation or if the alt itself is taking a royal poo-poo. So first order of business real quick, because I'm waiting on it. Damn it, I dropped the light. Anyway, waiting on the plug wires, and I got to do all the valve stuff on the Avanti. Yeah, so that belt is really loose. I'm going to tension this and see if the alternator is actually good still, or if it was just a belt issue, or if it's a combination of. So I'm just going to tension this real fast, see what we got, fire it up real quick, and see how she behaves. So I undid the bolt on the nut here to get to the adjuster, and the whole freaking bracket is loose. So I'm gonna go under the car and see if something failed down there. So I'm here under the car, and that might be our situation. There it is. Sorry, it's hard to video it. So this bolt was just laying down here. It's sheared. I gotta find out where. Oh, fuck. That's cute. So I think that's our actual problem. That's gonna be real fun to get out. Oh, boy. So, Scott, I found the alternator problem. It's not the alternator. I went and loosened up the bolt on the adjuster up here from the top, and the whole bracket dropped. So I'm like, okay, let me see what I got going down at the bottom. This guy, hold on, no room down here. This broken guy was laying here in this plastic tray that protects the belts. And you can see it goes into this and holds the bracket. Well, that's why we had no tension, because somehow that bolt sheared. Your guess is as good as mine. So I get to get creative with that, but I'm going to tackle the Avanti first, obviously. I might even get to this today now, but now we know.